Once upon a time, phones mostly did this. But for the past 10 years, our phones have gotten super smart, and now they do this, this, and this. Yet, in that same 10 years, our phones have gone from here to here. Physical usability has not changed, and so all too often, we find ourselves suffering from this, and this. So, we made this, the Ohsnap grip. The thinnest, most durable, and most powerful phone grip ever. And just like that, it's there when you need it and not when you don't. Sure, you can use your phone like this, but the Ohsnap grip makes your phone better. And because it's quick and easy to slide your finger in the loop with one hand, you'll save yourself from a whole lot of this. It also rotates, so you always get the angle that works for your unique style. And unlike other grips, we made ours compatible with wireless charging. But that wasn't good enough, so we took wireless charging to the next level with snapcharge, our magnetic wireless charger. It's designed to be where you need it, when you need it. It finds and aligns itself to the optimal charging spot, so you'll never have to deal with this anymore. This is the missing link we've all been waiting for, made possible by making it incredibly slim. So say goodbye to this. And for those times you want to do this, but it keeps doing that, we gave it a multi-angle kickstand. And because it's magnetic, it'll stick to this, or even this. Because it shouldn't be so hard to stick your phone wherever you want it. The steel ring that attaches to the back of your phone secures the grip with confidence while also protecting your phone from the magnets inside. The Ohsnap grip was designed to make life with your phone happy, productive, and carefree, and we want that for everybody, which is why it works with all phones, all cases, and all hands. So no matter what, this grip is for you. I'm Dale Backus, founder of Ohsnap and creator of the Ohsnap grip. We're a small team obsessed with building the most beautiful, functional, non-annoying phone accessories in the world. Our first campaign was a success, but after shipping thousands of units, we realized we could do better. We're building an ecosystem of amazing products with this phone grip at its center, and this is just the start. For the price of a few lattes, you can hold, mount, stand, and secure your phone better than ever. So if that sounds good to you, and you're ready for a better smartphone experience, then back us today.